The Kia's previously available 77.4 kWh battery is replaced by a new 84.0 kWh pack, which should help improve its maximum range. We expect the updated pack in the Hyundai will increase the EV6 current 303-mile estimate for rear-drive models to closer to 325 miles. The current EV6 should feature a similar increase, bringing the estimated range for rear-drive models closer to 330 miles, up from the current rating of 310. We previously put a dual-motor all-wheel drive Wind model through our 75 miles per hour highway fuel economy route, and it went 230 miles on a full charge. The bigger battery marks the most substantive change for the EV6, but it's not the only update headed for the model. The most striking visual change is the updated shape of the headlights. The new units feature an angular C-shaped LED running light that wraps around the main lighting unit. Around the back of the car, the taillight retains its swooping shape but adds a new triangular swoop at either end. The GT line model also gets updated front and rear bumpers to help differentiate it from lesser models. Inside, the updated version gets a more sophisticated panoramic curved display, though we can't tell what the real differences are yet. As with the outgoing model, separate digital gauge cluster and infotainment screens are housed behind a single, curved piece of glass. There's also a new steering wheel, an updated wireless charging pad to better secure your phone, a fingerprint authentication system, and new infotainment software that adds wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. We expect to see the majority of these updates come to the US spec EV6 when it eventually launches. We don't think the wait will be too many months away now that the updated car has been shown in Korea.